By the end of this video, you'll be able to track paid ads, organic and direct traffic in Elementor Form. In addition to that, I'm going to show you how you can pass this data to your favorite CRM, including ActiveCampaign, Hubspot, and Infusionsoft. Let's get started. In this demo, we have HandL UTM Grabber version 3.0.53, Elementor and Elementor Pro installed. This is my demo installation. I have a contact form, and this is built in Elementor Form. Let's edit the page. So the form will look like this, name and email by default. What we are going to do is we're going to add some more fields, including UTM source, medium, campaign. And we also have some other parameters we can track: Jiglit, FB click, Microsoft click ID, etc. Let's get started adding the hidden fields one by one. We'll select hidden here, and then advanced. For the default value, don't put anything here, just click dynamic tags and scroll all the way to the bottom. UTM Grabber, parameters, select the parameters, and then select this field, and here let's add UTM campaign. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it in ID as well. We can also put this as a label so we can see which field we are adding. Let's do the same thing over and over for a couple more. Let's add one more. UTM source. Let's add one more. It's really crucial to select parameters and type the name verbatim. Also, I prefer putting this in ID section as well. This will help you track the UTM parameters in client side. It will improve the capture. It will improve the tracking efficiency. So let's add Jiglit as well. We can add more and more. We have, for example, IP. We can capture the user IP. We can capture landing page URL. And we can capture referrer. There's way more parameters you can track. I'm gonna post in the description below the list of all the parameters you can track within Elementor Form. After you are done with this, these fields will not be shown because they are hidden. So let's see action after submit. It's a collection submission, email. Okay, this is the email field. All the data will be in the email, which is great. And then let's add webhook here as well. And then it will appear here. Here I'm gonna go to my Zapier account and copy paste the webhook URL into here and update. Okay, so the form is ready. Now we have all the fields that we are interested in tracking. Let's do some simulations. Go to our website. Let's start with appending some UTM parameters into my URL so we can see how the tracking works. So I have a button here which adds all the UTM parameters. As you can see in the address bar, UTM source is Google, medium is CPC, campaign is spring sale, so on and on. So let's go to design, advertising. Normally user click around before they convert, which is absolutely fine. And as you can see here, the query arguments are updating page to page. They are passing from one page to page. You can change this behavior in the plugin settings. Let me quickly show you this. If you go to UTM settings, append UTM, if you disable it, that will no longer append into the address bar, so you won't see the UTMs. But no worries, you are still tracking the UTMs. It's in the cookies. Even I'm navigating within the website, all the UTMs are being tracked, so I don't have to see them in the address bar. We have a separate video explaining how Append UTM works. I'm gonna put it in the description below. If you want, you can watch that video as well. Let's go to our contact form and let's fill out this form. It's asking our name and the email address. So you won't see rest of the fields, hidden fields that we created because they are hidden. But as soon as I hit the submit button, all the information you see here along with all the hidden fields will be sent to the backend. So let's submit this form and let's go to the backend. Elementor submissions. As you can see here, all the data is being collected. These hidden fields, campaign, medium, source, term, Giglet, IP, the landing page, and the referrer, they are all being filled out by our plugin. And if you remember, we did Zapier and email integration as well. Let's go to the email first. This is the email I received from my website. As you can see here, name, email, and all the other UTM fields in the email. Now let's go to Zapier. So this was our webhook URL. Let's request a new data. And as you can see here, my name, email, and all the UTM data is being passed to Zapier. So from here, you can send this data to your favorite CRM. You can send it to Hubspot, you can send it to Infusionsoft or ActiveCampaign. There are some other integrations available in Elementor: MailChimp, Drip, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse. You can send the data to Slack, Discord. All the UTM data, all the collected data will be passed to these channels as well. In the first part of the video, we covered how to track paid ads. So now let me show you how you can track organic and direct traffic. In order to do that, we need to add a few more parameters into our form. Let's go to our form, let's edit and clone the last parameters. Let's call organic source. This is the same way we did before. Let's add organic source str. This is the string version of organic source. And let's add one more traffic source. Let's actually add a few more. I'm gonna add HandL original ref. This is the first touch referrer, and I have HandL ref. This is the last touch, and HandL landing page is the first touch. Very first web page the user landed on. And let's go add one more HandL URL. This is the last touch URL just before the conversion, which website user came from. Let's update this field and head back to our incognito session. Copy paste this URL, close the incognito. Let's reopen it. Instead of going to the website directly, let's again search in Google and let's click any link. Again, we can navigate around before we go to contact. And here, let's add organic2@domain.com. Let's go back to the dashboard and check the submissions. Elementor submissions. This is the lead. As you can expect, there is no UTM parameters collected. Everything is null. There is no Giglet because this is not a paid ads. We have IP. We have the landing page, referrer, organic source str. So organic source says google.com. The str says Google. And the traffic source is attributed as organic. When you have UTM and Giglet or FB click ID, the traffic source will be paid. It can also be direct and referrer. And as you can see here, the original referrer is Google, and the last URL that we have been on is the contact page. And before that, we were on digital. And very first page that we landed on is the film. So all the data is captured here. Now we head back to our email and hopefully we will see the exact same data. And the same way, let's go to Zapier. Let's pull more data. And here, this is the lead. Name and email here, all the UTM parameters, IP, and all the parameters that we collected. So from now on, you can sync this data to your favorite CRM within Zapier. Or you can do some more integrations. You can sync this data to your Google Sheets, or you can send this to yourself as an email. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please comment down below. I would be happy to help you out. You can download UTM Grabber plugin from utmgrabber.com. Thank you. Hope to see you in another video.